Today I'm going to show you how to work with super coils. Super coils are a great way to build up height quickly or to change directions in a more drastic fashion. If you look behind me here on the board, I have a sketch of a Greek style trophy, which basically is a model of this amphora here. And if you look closely at the bottom in the green, there is a bowl shape which can be made using a pinch pot. All other parts on this, with the exception of the handles, are super coils. So today I'll show you how to do that. So start with some clay. What I like to do before I start rolling it is to kind of pinch it into a log. Just squish it between your hands, and that makes the rolling process a lot easier. Okay? You're gonna start on a surface that's dry, and you're gonna roll. Okay, this doesn't have to be a perfect circle because we're going to flatten this anyways, but do your best to get it at least consistently thick. Okay, once it's about the thickness of maybe a silver dollar or a quarter in circumference, then you want to start to flatten it out. So the way we'll do that is we'll just use our palm, and we'll slowly pat, going from left to right, and then back right to left. We want to have a nice even thickness. Okay, before I move on, I want to get out my trophy. So at this stage, I have the foot and I have most of the body formed. I want to make the next part go in, so I want to create a shoulder here. Now if I were just building straight up, I could take this and I could simply cut it to size and stack it right on top. But if I wanted to go in, I need to do something a little different, okay? So make sure this is roughly the same thickness as the wall that you're working with. And then what you do is you take your super coil and you kind of start to turn it like a horseshoe, or like the letter C, or like a rainbow. And what you get is you have this, this curved super coil. Now if I take this and I put it on the inside edge, it will flare outward, okay? So it would flare outside. If I take this and I put it on the outside edge, like that, it'll flare inward. And that's exactly what I want to do, okay? So once you have the right thickness and you've got the right angle set up, you'll cut it to size and you'll attach it just like you would attach any other coil. I'll go through the process right now.